How to fix the Discord's DTLS connection issue problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing the problem of DTLS, it could be created when you try to join a voice channel. The main cause could be the network configuration, Discord's updated or out to date versions, as well as other such problem. So in order to solve it, let's create or join a voice channel. As you can see, it shows voice connected. But if it shows DTLS connection issue, in that case, first of all, check for stable internet connection. Make sure you use the latest version of Discord and also switch to mobile data for once to check if the issue still exists. However, if the stable connection is there, however problem exists, in that case, let's move on to the next solution. Press Windows plus R and then type in percentage local app data percentage. This should open the local app data's folder. Select on Discord and delete it. Once you delete it, you have to restart and relaunch the Discord app. And this time, when you join the voice channel, issue should be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.